Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to return your device back to T-Mobile. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just traded your phone in for a new phone with a promotion that's going on. How do you actually go ahead and return your device? So essentially how it works is that T-Mobile is going to send you this magenta envelope here. It's a giant magenta envelope and it's going to say that your device return kit is here. So inside of the return kit, you have instructions on how to return your device. You have a cardboard box that you just need to assemble. You also have a bubble mailer to actually place your phone in as well. So once you're ready, you've backed up your phone and you erased it. All you do is place your iPhone inside the bubble mailer. The bubble mailer gets placed inside the box. You basically firmly seal the box with the adhesives lined here. And then they provide you with the shipping label, in which the shipping label goes right over here as well. So that's pretty much it though, as far as how to return your device back to T-Mobile. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.